where is the last one? So 30 breakers, so 30 of the breakers have cables or sections of it. Now the next thing is this. Please remove one of the breakers. So this breaker is type what? How many types of breakers do we have? Anybody with an idea? So this is type C. We have B. We have K. You understand? And so on. So now, you see that, you see this number, the model number, IEC 60888.99. It's very, very important. So you have to take record of that. Which is 60898-1. Then it is type C. Then we come to the rating. This you can put it down. We come to the rating. Type C. 60898-1. Now, the first load is determined by what? What's the rating there? What is the cable size? Yeah? Are you sure? What is the braking capacity of the breaker? So, everybody come close. Can you see this? Can you see that the breaker rating is 16? Yes. But can you see some number under it? Yes. It is 10,000, right? Okay. So that is the braking capacity of this breaker.